Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, yes, I'm going to be talking to you about setting goals. Yes, if it's one thing I can do is set a goal and reach it. So I want to share 3 things that are key to reaching your goals, and I just wanted to do a voiceover on this other video I have. If you hadn't checked out my new craft area that I've redecorated, check that video out. I'll have it linked. So I just wanted to do a voiceover because that's easier for me right now because I'm not feeling well. So I still want to get the information out to you. So yeah, so since it's a new year and everyone is setting goals, I just wanted to give you some tips on setting goals. These are realistic, straight to the point. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Let's get started. First thing, when you're setting goals, set realistic goals. So I use myself for example. I knew that one of my goals was to eventually pay off my mortgage early. But it didn't make sense to me to set that goal when I was in a lot of consumer debt. Like I had a lot of car loans, credit cards, personal loans, things like that. So instead of setting myself up for failure, I did not start out setting a goal to pay off my mortgage. What I did was did it in small steps. So the first goal that I set was to pay off all my credit cards. So that's a more achievable goal to me than just saying pay off my mortgage. But paying off my credit card is going to get me in motion to pay off my mortgage. So I think it's best to set realistic goals like that first before you get to the big goals. Another example, say like if you want to purchase a home in the future, but you know that maybe you need a better job or either you need to work on your credit. So set a goal to, say like if you need more income, set a goal to start a side hustle or work more overtime or get a better job than to set a goal of just buying a home. So do it in steps. Or either set the goal to work on your credit score opposed to setting a goal to buy a home. I think that's more realistic. And I think that'll help you to be able to achieve it quicker. At least it was in my circumstance. So back in 2018, 2019, when I was paying off my credit cards, I wasn't thinking about paying the house off, but I knew that was my ultimate goal. So now, fast forward now to 2021, 22, I have all my credit cards, car loans, all that stuff paid off. Now I can set a realistic goal to pay off my mortgage. Because when I set my goals, I don't know about you guys, but I like to reach them. So that's the number 1 thing. Set realistic goals. Number 2 is accept that you will have some good days and unfortunately, you're going to have some bad days. That's just part of life. So on those good days, guess what you do? You just smile and celebrate it. And on those bad days, guess what you do? You remember why you're doing it. And that will help you to keep going. So remember that you will have some ups and downs and you will have some highs and lows, but don't let it stop you from achieving your goal. And number 3, reward yourself when you reach small milestones. Out of all the things I've talked to you about tonight, to be honest, this is the main thing that helps me to achieve my goal. Guess what? Because we are humans. You can only delay gratification for so long and then you're going to get burned out. So when me and my husband reach small milestones, we go celebrate, we buy ourselves something, we do something. And like when we paid off all our credit cards, we normally go out to dinner, but we made it a point to go out to dinner and just sitting there talking about how we started in the beginning, laughing, and I'm about to cry because I thought about all the credit cards that I had abused and got in all that debt. And we sit and think about, we can't believe we did that, and pat ourselves on the back and enjoy ourselves a nice dinner. That really helps you mentally to keep going. I'm telling you, you're going to have to Reward yourself for small milestones. I don't care what it is. It's not so much about spending money. It could be anything. It could be taking a break from setting your goal. It could be going on a walk or anything, but you have to do something to mentally keep you going, because reaching these goals are hard. So these are the 3 things, short and simple, nothing spectacular, that I do to achieve my goals. If you have anything to add to these 3 things, let me know in the comment section. I hope everyone reaches their goals this year. And yeah, so this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.